Jack, what you got here?
This is, so we've got somewhere to make notes, write the rules of the workshop.
Can we have pictures on there though? Because
oh no, I'll have to just go with 3. We do things properly here.
You got that level?
Yep.
Have you done this before?
Oh, yeah, I'm pro, I am. Some mistakes.
Can you put your magnets on when you know when you've been on holiday? Can you put them magnets on?
Yeah. Right.
These are the rules of the road.
I would say rules of the
workshop.
Number 1.
No laughing.
Yeah. Number 2.
It's a bit small that is. What's that say?
Turn up on time. Zone.
You're here. I'm here. Oh, where's Dave?
Oh, he's not there.
Oh no. Yeah. No. Well, no swearing on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Are we allowed to have a laugh? Or
I think you can, but you're not allowed to show that you're having a laugh.
okay. Have we just shown we've had a little bit of a laugh?
Oh, no, it's fine. You can have that one then.
Just leave that, because that's like a style thing. You've got to laugh, but not show. Have a laugh, but don't show them you're having a laugh.
Yeah. Right, we'll update the list
as
time goes on.
Yeah.
Right. To do.
This. Just put everything underneath it. That's the whiteboard completed. And then when all that's done, we just literally rub that out.
Yeah.
And start again.
I'm going to do a hangman down in the bottom.
How do you play hangman now?
I'll show you.
This whiteboard's just going to be like noughts and crosses, hangman, and David draw a cock on it. Yeah.
We'll play. Go on then, guess a letter.
H.
No. I can't remember the actual pattern.
What? How do you put? Guess a letter. I've just said H. Hangman.
Yeah, no, you don't guess the word hangman.
Oh,
this is our.
Oh, you thought of a word?
Yeah, so that's the clue.
To our next card. Oh,
so pick a
okay.
letter.
No.
Well, you've done H.
There you go, the H, is it?
So you've got
Z.
some real letters.
No, it's a letter, isn't it?
But, hold on, I need to write down what you've said. What did you say? F, H,
yeah,
and Z. Think of a vowel.
N. Is that a vowel?
No, but it's right.
Oh, they've guessed it now. God, you can't. They've guessed it.
Yeah, we'll get rid of this.
Yeah,
section.
they've guessed it. Oh, that's a little sneak preview for you then. The next build.
That Dave, your caravan.
It probably is. No, no. Revving a caravan.
Yeah,
How can you rev a caravan?
Right.
Right, it's enough of that now.
Yeah.
So let's get on with everything.
Today, we're going to do what we should have done from the beginning.
Well,
the interior, take out the windows.
No. Jack is right. We've got to get the car off the ramp. But, as you can see, it has no wheels on, does it, Jack? So, yeah. We'll get it off the ramp then. Get the interior out. Get the front doors off. Get all the roof lining out, all them bits and bobs. And then we can get cracking on the other stuff. What do you reckon, Jack? Let's go, okay. This is our master plan. Like I say, we haven't got our surprise thing what would get this off the ramp. But anyway, we're going to put it down on these little bread trolleys. Is that what you class them as?
I think so.
So we can literally wheel this car forward so we can get the doors open so we get in and the ramp isn't in the way. You have touched now?
Yeah, I don't know how well this is going to move though.
You know, if we had 2 blokes here who could push this and Jack could record that, that's all about turning up on time, isn't it? Good job.
So take it easy.
Sound this is.
Good. Oh, that sounded smooth.
I think it needs a bit of grease.
What are we doing then? Stripping the interior?
Yeah.
Taking off the doors?
Not all the doors.
Some of the doors.
Some of the doors. So you know we were saying we had on the display panel saying doors are open and everything. So literally I took this little access panel there because obviously to unplug the plugs for the loom to get the door off. I don't know if that's whilst it's been sat, but the lights were on when we got it. Can you see them all there, all chewed up? So that could be our problems with the door, saying the doors are open, and well, it's not going to be. At the end of the day, that's earthing out, or it could be just earths anyway, but just more stuff we've got. So if anyone's like thinking about doing one of these Sierras and stuff,
Don't.
no, do, but just expect the unexpected.
We're about to add a new rule for Dave because I think he's been watching documentaries again.
Just depressed about the car, man.
Status update. These doors are a nightmare. Right. Half a pin down, 3 to go.
And that's loose, look. So, worst case scenario, we have to just knock the tops out. We could still unbolt the bottoms because we can get to them. You understand what I'm saying? Because obviously we've got to hit that up. And if we can't hit that up, we can at least unbolt the bottom hinge. Because obviously to get to this top hinge, you've got to take all the dashboard out, which we may still have to do. Because we have got to take all the windscreen out of this. And it might be easier to take the rear screen out.
So we're gonna take it back to Bear Shell, like I said.
Still have the.
What? Still have what? The rubber left on.
Have something.
Because you can't say roof lining.
Don't say bare shell, because when I think about bare shell, I have little nightmares. Because all I remember then is there's just bits everywhere.
There's bits everywhere anyway.
Yeah, but there'd be more bits everywhere.
Yeah, but there's more bits around everywhere.
Can we just put something back together?
Remember that girl? Get out of me, mum, get out of me, car. Brum,
Right.
brum.
3 hours later.
These pins, oh my god. That's out, that. Right, if you take it that way, because I've got to pull the cable out.
This ain't heavy.
Is it heavy?
It's an 80s door, isn't it? They haven't discovered lightweight stuff yet.
You got it. It was that easy.
Someone left an earth on it. When they
just do it.
Could you just go, oh, my back?
Yeah, because you're taking the fucking piss.
Love you to drop that now.
On my tongue. Oh, my back!
Come on, Stokes, just get your loom out. We're good.
That one come out easier than the other one, didn't it?
Because you weren't faffing about it this time.
Oh, yeah. There weren't no crying from him going,
had enough of this car.
Yeah.
I can't wait. I'm not doing the next project.
What are you doing?
I'm not doing the
What,
next.
sitting in the car?
I'm not doing the next project. I'm selling it.
Okay.
Go and get yourself a bank loan.
Saying that,
No.
that is already up there, don't throw up.
Yeah, no drinking and being sick and getting your missus to pick you up.
That's a long roll.
Yeah. Right, so what are we doing, Jack?
Taking this dirty old carpet out. Joe, he wasn't going to strip the car, but now he's stripped the car, it's completely stripped.
We weren't.
You suggested that though, didn't you?
We weren't going to take it back to Bear Show, was we?
I think
We weren't, Richard, was we?
This isn't Bear Show, still got the steering wheel on.
That's not how you spell it.
What? Your mum?
I thought with you just put on the board, no, your mum jokes.
Yeah, that's what it says.
Why have you just said your mum to me then?
No, a joke about. Did a joke about your mum?
Yeah, you said your mum.
That's only soon get said. Go on, your mum then.
Oh, he had to, didn't he?
Go on.
Stop now. Do it on the board. It's because you said my mum and I've said your mum.
Don't say my mum, because I'll say your mum back. Alright then, so, sunroof.
It's got a VIN number.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just about 1.6 at the end. GL.
Gear.
Did it normally have welding round it? And grinding?
Got
We up to Hello. Happened?
your hands off.
What are we doing here, boys?
Stop touching it.
I'm holding the back.
What are you doing here?
This takes the windy winder off.
I told you that it was old.
Did I pulled the wrong end out, I think, haven't I? But I think we can fix it.
I hope you can, mate.
How do you know that, though?
Because I broke a few of these.
You're just agreeing with what anyone says.
Is that
You're going to take these screws out and then... No touching Dave's screwdriver.
Put your name on it. In the way, Jack, get out of the way. Dave's woke up now and he wants to do a thing that...
Wind that back in now. Why would you neck him? Fucking your mum.
Stop swearing on YouTube with your mum, I've told you. Yeah.
Oh.
It's the roof. Well, if you're in America, roof.
What?
That's what they call it, the roof.
What?
They call it the roof.
You
the
ended
roof.
up on the roof.
Yeah, that's like
in the trunk?
taking the roof off.
Open the hood.
It's not sliding forward, is it? Is there anything back there?
Hold on,
Lay down, man. I told you you want some roof fitter.
Just up. Honestly, I'll keep this channel going.
It's done a few of these, haven't I?
I don't think I've ever took a sunroof out. That is absolutely nailed, isn't it? Get a close in on that.
I'll put this on the bench.
Are we,
In 1,000 pieces, yes, mate.
yeah, have we started off the day worse than when we started? Or is it better?
It is better, but
Yeah, I feel better.
You look better?
you look better, mate.
No, I do feel better. I have done a lot of work today, so I have to have a little break.
No, it makes sense. Right, interior stripped, roof stripped, sunroof out. Now I've got to try and get these.
We're going to take the back windscreen out, we're going to take the front windscreen out, going to take all the doors off, going to have the rubbers off. We're going to take the boot, the lights.
The dashboard.
Basically, we're going to take everything out bar the dashboard, so Rich can save face by not having me say, told you so, and we should have just stripped it down to bare shell.
The dashboard might have to come out, but the less we have to take out, the better.
And you don't want me to tell you I told you so.
You can say told so.
No, not yet.
Go on, say it.
No, not in.
I ain't bothered.
Well, you are.
Right.
I'm telling your voice.
So, can I just ask you one question though?
Yeah.
Are we going to have to take the dash out to get the windscreen out?
No,
because you have to take the dashboard out, take the windscreen out when Gav comes round from Autoglass.
Yeah, but Gav's probably got better tools than us.
No. We probably.
Why have you got better tools than us? Because we're in a little shed. He's in a transit van on the side of your road. How's he got better stuff than us? He's probably got a canopy and all the professional tools and the little lift to lift the windscreen.
He's been on a course that shows you how to do it.
Yeah.
And he hasn't just got some cheese wire that me and him stand on the end of and just do that. Don't get too happy because you'll warm it up. Go that way a little bit more. Don't know how. It's warm now.
Yeah, chuck it round, Dave, if you can.
Go on, let's go.
Oh! Look how heavy-handed you are. See? Prick.
You're just going through.
Stop swearing on YouTube.
Prick's not a swear word. It's in the dictionary.
I've not read a dictionary, so you wouldn't know.
Who was read a dictionary?
I have.
Kid, you can't read.
I've got pictures of it.
Oh, fuck!
Ready?
Ready someone smash?
You pair are getting good at this, aren't you?
Who's Gavin?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Gavin from Autoglass.
Dick and Dave, Autoglass.
Dick and Dave. It's like Dick and Dom, isn't it?
Dick and head.
New rule. No calling me Ed. My name's Dave.
I want a big dick and then an Ed at the end of it.
Your name is Richard.
Short for Dick.
Boom.
Sometimes you gotta get aggressive, haven't you?
Acts like he's Henny and that.
Show
Just
muscles.
misses his t-shirt.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? And we're over there!
One window screen without any so far.
Look at the state of that car.
Oh. We bolt stuff on. We fit
Watching
stuff.
it.
Fit stuff on. What are you doing now, Dave? Dave. What,
Oh, I
what?
just smashed the ball.
Oh well, watch that matting on the floor.
Oh, he's just tore it all up.
Don't. Dave.
The roof's coming out.
Yeah, but you're going to bend everything.
Say that again, Stoke.
What about?
Come on.
What?
We need it for my fan club anyway. Because they say I don't bring nothing to the table.
What did you just say,
I
Stoke?
said Dave was right. I'm not scared to say I can say it.
No, that's fine. I don't say it because I'm never wrong.
Oh,
And even when-
so you're never wrong.
How often am I wrong?
All the time.
When? Name one time I've ever been wrong.
Dave, I haven't got a memory like.
So if I was wrong all the time,
encyclopedia
he would
or
be able to know. Now I can tell you when you was wrong,
Oh,
when
could
you
you-
didn't listen to me about the roof.
What's the next one?
What's number 13? Dave's never wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's unlucky for you, so put number 13.
Oh, I can't. Dave, Stoke, take the dick off the board.
Tap that finger up.
That is how. That's the health and safety.
Yeah.
rule. If you cut
That's
your finger,
someone doing, that's Jack doing that at us.
No, that means if you cut your finger, we have to stem the bleed. I can read, mate. I'm not stupid.
What do you mean you can read, you're not stupid?
I can read, but I can't spell. Work that out.
What?
Yeah, I said it. Work
Of
it
course,
out.
that's not a wrong thing.
Everything. Ask me how to spell it.
It should be everything.
Oh,
You numb.
no, it's thing. ING, you douche.
Everything.
Think.
Everything.
Everything.
What are you two talking about?
What we got here then, Dave?
Another convertible, got it?
We've took it off to leave strength in because someone commented, and Dave did say it from the start.
I did.
So, yeah, we've left them bits in so it leaves, and on the back, it leaves the rigidity in the shell. Even though that other shell was rigid.
You've googled that, you
What,
have.
rigidity?
You've googled that, ready
And
for this.
luckily enough, the rust hadn't obviously this is all rusty on the back here.
The rust hadn't rusted through.
Hadn't rusted all the way through on that. Come on, we've got to go.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't cut the head off. It's quite heavy.
I know you had me on it up for a photo shoot for 20 minutes.
If anyone wants this roof,
Rough.
If you're
DM us.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
What?
It's in a bit of a bad way now. It is, isn't it?
Good day, yeah?
Yeah. We've
Good
got a lot
day,
done. Turned up a little bit late.
No roof, no doors, no windscreen.
It's a good job I was here.
Rear windscreen.
Good job I was here. I got the roof off. I got the seats out. I got the doors off. I got the windscreen out. I got the rear glass out. Yeah, so I turned up today.
Dave did everything, and yet again, I was wrong on everything.
No, you weren't wrong though. Come on.
I was wrong. I could admit it, Dave. You can't.
Because I'm never wrong.
Right, Dave, what are you going to say to him?
Yeah, if you like this episode, please like, share, follow and subscribe.
And comment.
And I said that.
Stoke, right on that board so we don't forget.
Like, share,
that's rule-
like, comment,
that's-
share, and follow and subscribe.
That's rule number 1, 2 and 3, and it like, subscribe and comment.
You should put that at the start so we know.
We'll be very
Oh, we're going to have to rewrite the rules, don't we?
Right, lads.
Right, let's go anyway. Football's on.
Yeah. Still have.
Everything.
Everything.